done, let's split it here. All screws are done. Must be stuck together. Oh, guess there's more gas in it than I expected. Excuse me. Everything looks in decent shape. Not a lot of crystals, ethanol crystals, which is good. Get the screws out, make sure I don't lose them. 3, where's the 4th? Oh, here it is. Alright. It doesn't look too bad. Looks in decent shape. So, I don't know if you can see that. I'll move the camera light over. So let me just take some carb cleaner to it, or let me take it apart and then I'll take a look at it. Everything seems clean. I wonder if there's, I don't know why it's leaking. But, oh well. Let me just take some carb cleaner to it and hopefully it'll, and maybe the air compressor and blow it out. So I just, I'm sitting there looking at it and I'm like, why is this thing leaking? Everything seems clean. Cleaned it out. This thing's been, it's funny, it's always leaked kind of for a while now, and I've run it, no big deal, and then finally just occurred to me, so let me grab the float. Float's leaking. Float's got gas in it. So that's toast. Luckily I have a spare. Hopefully it doesn't have a leak. We'll find out after we run it. But I'm gonna throw this one in, and yeah, I have a bunch of, I don't know if you can see it, I have a bunch of spare carbs that I've had for a while, so I got some spare parts, not a lot, but some. So let me clean it up and get it back together. Alright, so I decided to, so everything looks good on this, like it looks clean, everything's fine. I'm not gonna, it looks like this is one of those, I don't know if you can see me getting the light here, sorry. I made this gasket a couple years ago. It looks in good shape. It's still, it's basically stuck to it, and there's one stuck to this side. So I'm not going to do much more to this because I don't want to rip the gaskets and have to make new ones because it's a bit of a pain in the ass. But what I am doing, I don't know if you can hear it, and hopefully it's not messing up the sound right now, but when I get too close sometimes it does. But I'm taking the bottom half and I put it in my ultrasonic cleaner. I put it up to 110 degrees and I'm running like Simple Green on it. So let me run that for a while while that's running and cleaning the bottom half. I'm going to you know, maybe change out some of the other items like the throttle cable and a few other things and get ready for it to go back on. I'm chuckling to myself right now because I always tell a buddy of mine, we always have the conversation about cleaning and organizing and stuff you find. So while I was looking for the throttle cable parts, I opened up the drawer of my little cabinet over there, and what did I find? Or drawer full of floats. So if this one I have here over here doesn't work, I got a few others to try. Alright, this has been running for about a half an hour. It's good enough. I mean, it wasn't like it was really needed to be cleaned anyways. It was just one of those things while I'm doing all the work. So it got up to about 100 degrees. It heats up as it starts. So I could probably pre-warm it and, you know, be more efficient with it, but so let's take a look. So it looks pretty good. These so take it on the light here. So yeah, that looks good. So I'll just take a little brush to it and then some carb clean, and should be good to go. Nice and cleaned up. And it's gonna make, of course, make the other half look like dog shit, but so let me just wipe it down, spray it out, and get it back on. All right, gotten it back on, and basically, so the bottom was cleaned. You can tell it's a little cleaner than the top. Still, you know, it's got the cast iron look. I bought this. This is the throttle cable, like just basically adapter or rig or whatever. So basically, I'll put this on here, put the throttle cable on here, cut it, so then it matches up with this. I stole this off of my Model L, where I got the starter on the when I did the starter swap. That Model L, which is just a straight Model L. So I'm gonna kind of use that one as my, you know, parts tractor sometimes, but still keep it in a state that it runs. So so let me just got to do a few more hookups here and cut the throttle cable, and should be back in business. All right, here we are, probably at least an hour later. Just trying to you know, get this started, just for a quick warm-up prior to this here. But all right, here we go, take two. Hopefully the gas doesn't start leaking again. Sweet. Ran well. Ran real well. So I'm glad. So thing will be ready for plowing and any time now. So I just need to you know, wait till the season's right and slap on the plow or the cultivator and this baby's ready. So hey, awesome. Glad this wasn't too much of a headache. All right, thanks for watching, guys, and have a good one.